not only a hospital, this is also a college, a university.
We are really now in a state where we are like ashamed of what has happened.
I am asking for something very little. The little word is safety. इतना तो मांग सकते हैं ना.
एक ही इशू है जो एड्रेस अभी तक पूरा हुआ नहीं, वो वी वांट जस्टिस नाउ. एक ही इशू है, हम लोग सब लड़ रहे हैं इस इशू के लिए कि हम लोगों को जस्टिस चाहिए, और इतनी छोटी सी जस्टिस जिनको सबको मिलना चाहिए, सेफ्टी चाहिए, वो है नहीं. आई डोंट वांट टू डाई getting raped. I want my children, my daughter to come to this is not only a hospital, this is also a college, a university. वो पढ़े, वो डॉक्टर बने, ये हम लोगों को चाहिए था. अभी क्या हो रहा है? This is what is happening. So we want justice now. And ये हमारा solidarity है.
My home, at my workplace, not only for me but also for my family, for my friends who are out there at their workplace, at education institute. So if a doctor, a qualified doctor is not safe in a government hospital, then what is the security of that we won't get assaulted in our workplace? So we are basically panicking, and that's why we cannot stay at home, and we have joined here in this movement today. I was also there day before. So we can't keep our calm at home.
What are your comments on a city which is culturally rich, which is known as culturally heritage place, and at this place such things are happening? Your comment in regards to that?
We are like, we were always known to be a very liberal city where women interests, women rights are being protected. We held so many women rights movement we led in the country. We are really now in a state where we are like ashamed of what has happened, and it has become an international issue like this. And actually we are panicking, and we want our safety back in our city, in our culture, in our region, in our state.
When such things are happening, everyone thinks and speaks about that, but gradually, with the passage of time, everyone forgets. Do you think this needs to be changed?
Yes, some vested interests are waiting so that our enthusiasm, our participation, the intensity of the movement, dies down gradually, and they are waiting for new issue to come in the social media. And that is their strategy, to delay the whole process and wait for the intensity to reduce. So, but I think the threshold of our tolerance is broken in our city, and people from all the sector has participated in this movement, and I think they are eagerly waiting to know what is in the end.
It has come down to something which is beyond anger, beyond rage, beyond frustration, beyond everything, because we are now standing at a point where we have one bottom line, that we need all the criminals in front of us. We want to see their faces. As Aam Janta, I am an actor, but I am not here as an actor. I am not here to be by a movement. No, I am part of the movement. And the best part of this movement that common men, common people are leading it. They are not going to leave this matter until they see the end of it. I assure you, this is not going to be another Sushant Singh Rajput, that it will go on and on and on and on, and we will not see the end of it. No, this time that is not something that is going to happen, because we will see to it that all the criminals come in front of us. We need to see their faces. हमें देखना है उन लोगों को, and the punishment has to be very, very exemplary. इतना भयानक punishment होना चाहिए कि सचमुच डर जाए. जिनके मन में भी है, कि मन में तो है ना. In the roads, in the buses, in the trams, in metro, women do get touched in an inappropriate manner. Whoever touches women in an inappropriate manner in public places, if they get women in secluded places, they are definitely going to rape them. Because they are all potential rapists, whoever have the habit of bad touch. So we have to set an example so that we are safe. I am asking for something very little. The little word is safety. इतना तो मांग सकते हैं ना.